right, well, welcome. We have a nice little array of plants that we just got on sale at Home Depot. 5 for $10. This first plant here is bell peppers, and we got this one because there's already one starting to grow out. And I think we got 2 bell peppers, so that was one. Oh, this is the other bell pepper here, as it has already started to bloom. And we spotted this one here, so kind of really excited about getting these in some soil. And then we have here, this one is a bush cucumber. Gabe picked that one out. And then we have 2 plants of tomatoes. This one here is a little, it says it's a early girl tomato. Not quite sure what that means, but there's already a tomato starting to bloom. So oh, that's why I was told, because it's already starting to bloom to produce that tomato there. And then this is the second tomato plant have here, and that looked like it could be an array of different colors. So really excited about what that's going to produce. So these are our first vegetable plants that we're going to be growing. And then we have seeds that we're going to plant as well that we just got at the Dollar Tree. Peppers. We have parsley. We have basil. Uh-oh. It's a little windy out. And we have some Spanish hot peppers. We like things hot around here. Then we have lettuce. Ooh, lettuce. That's Gabe in the background. And then we have some more Spanish hot peppers. So we're really excited about starting our little patio gardening, planting type of situation that we're gonna have started. So I will divert the camera over to adding the soil to our container that we're gonna use. And this here is the compost that we got also at Home Depot that we're gonna use for our soil for our veggies. Yay! Let's look at it. Get all in there. That's what we're gonna put here. And we have this little old container that we're gonna grow our vegetables out of. And I'm gonna go grab my assistant and my farm hand, shall I say, to help us out with that part. My other farm hand came back in and advised that we should have a little bit more soil to the container. I got my junior farm hand just smoothing it all out, getting it leveled, prepared to be And now we're getting ready to plant our fresh veggies. I'm so excited. Look, he placed them all out for me. And all I have to do is just dig holes and plant my veggies. I started with the bush cabbage. And then I'm gonna work my way to the bell peppers. I was having a lot of fun doing this, just breaking them up and, playing in dirt. Who doesn't like to play in dirt except for kids? I think anybody does. If you're willing to get down and dirty with it, hey, a little bit of dirt underneath the nails ain't never hurt nobody. And now we have the tomatoes. Ooh, they're kind of loose already. Loosey goosey. now I'm gonna have my farm hand, junior farm hand, to water the plants. Get up on it, Wade. Don't be scared. I'm concentrating a little too hard. Just pour it around there, baby. Pour it directly over. Over that too. There we go. Had to consult the senior farmhand on making sure that everything is going well, and he says so far so good. So now that everything's planted and the senior farmhand has looked over everything, I am now going to be planting seeds of these Spanish peppers, just serrano peppers, and then I also have cayenne peppers too. So we're just going to be sticking holes randomly in here. It says for these one here, depth is like a 1/4 inch. Spacing going to be like 18 inches. So I'm just going to grab a couple.
And that's what, I mean, if you can see them well, that's what they look like. So I'm going to put these in that hole, cover it back up, and water over it. Okay. So another hole here. Just going to do a couple more. No specific amount, just doing enough to where if one don't take their other ones, they're not going to get
I also need to make sure I put down stakes so I know where the plants will be coming out at and know what's coming out, because I probably will forget. I'm very forgetful. Not intentionally, but it happens. So I think for the moment, that's all going to be that we're going to plant in this container here. Kind of see and wait for things to take root. Now I know with the peppers, they said they'll germinate within 10 to 12 days. So we'll expect to see, you know, something maybe in the next 30 days. That's hopeful, as long as we keep them watered and nurtured in sunlight, and we're outside on the patio. So let's hope for it. My senior farm hand brought me out these pieces here to kind of stake in, so I don't forget what's where. And then later on, I'll come out here and put some tabs in them, so I know exactly what's what. Maybe it might be better if they go down. The pointy. Oh, that had a pointy. And here's the final product with the labels added, the plants being watered. I'm just so proud of what we've started. And can't wait to produce some more vegetables and show you all the video of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.